Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Southern Coastal Highway that's going to connect Harborview to Port Antonio. Now we are on the actual highway, and as you can see, it's under construction. And this is a leg of the highway that's going to run from Harborview to Yalos. The highway is being built in parts, and this is one part. One section, I should say. This is where actually, if we continue on this road, we would head back to Bull Bay. But we're going to turn around and we're going to turn here and head towards the St. Thomas and towards Yalos. So the direction we're going in now, we're heading towards Yalos. So from Harborview to Bull Bay, the road is going to be 4 lanes, and then in Bull Bay you will get on this road and head over into St. Thomas. So the highway is basically going to run along the regular road that is there now until you get to Bull Bay, and then this road here is going to be a completely new road. The road leading up to the Bull Bay is going to go from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And then this stretch of the highway is being built. In other words, there was no road where we are now. This is being cut out and built from scratch. This section. We're on the actual highway that's being constructed, but it seems to be very busy, so we're just stopping to let this truck pass. Now they're going to open the highway in different sections, just like what they did with the Highway 2000. When one section is finished, they'll open it, and then by 2025 the entire road should be finished. And of course, you know, we'll keep you updated as the highway progresses. Alright, we're going back out onto the existing main road now. Now eventually the highway will go straight across this road. Not sure if they're going to build a bridge. Not sure how they're going to do it. I don't see any indicator. But this is the existing main road here now, and then across the road is another section of the highway being built. There's an ambulance coming through, so we're just going to wait and let them pass. So we're going on to the existing main road now. If you look straight ahead, you can see the other section of the highway. Well, actually, you can see it from the main road as well. Okay, so on the left is another section of the highway being built. So we really have to give a shout out to the government. They are doing an excellent job with the building of these highways. And the NWA. Now a lot of times you drive on the roads and you say, wow, these roads are terrible. The NWA is not doing a good job. But guess what? The NWA is only responsible for the main roads in Jamaica. They're not even responsible for the toll roads. Just the main road. No, Marky, all the main roads are not in good shape. Yes, I agree. But the parochial roads, those are the responsibility of the parish council. And the farm roads are the responsibility, or rather, through the Ministry of Agriculture. So a lot of times we give the NWA a hard time. And sometimes they're not even responsible for the road that person's complaining about. Okay, so on the left you can see the highway being constructed. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Southern Coastal Highway. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.